त्या लायनीक आसपी तो म्युजिशियन
त्या लेवलाचो.
त्या लेवलाचो म्युजिशियन बरो म्युजिशियन जोकीम तेणें म्हज्या णवांतली 7 कातरांची अरेंजमेंट केल्या लिरिक्स आनी ट्युन्स मेलोडीज म्हज्यो पूण म्युजीक अरेंजमेंट तेणें केल्या तेच भाशेन आकाशय बरेरान एक काताराचें म्युजीक केलां आनी बॉम्बेसान जितेंद्र चावडा जो बॉलिवूडाक वाचता तो आनी हिंदी मुवीन तेची कातारां आहा A.R. रहमान बी तेंचे बरोबर काम केलां तेणें सो तेणें एक कातार म्हज्या अल्बमान केला
तुजे फुडें वेच्या आदींच हांव कला मोगी कुवेट हांकां तांच्या आशिर्वादान तुजें एक कुवेटचें कांतार मँगो बोनांजान तुवें गायलेलें ताच्यो एक दोन वडी हांव तुमकां दाखयता
गोंयकार आमी गोंयकार सोबीत गोवा आनी गोंयकार पळोवंक शेता स्वाको संवसार अभिमान म्हणून आमी गोंयकार पळोवंक शेता गोवा आख्खो संवसार अभिमान म्हणून आमी गोंयकार ओ Japan love you all Chicken shaguti and niste ambuti जेवण तू बोले जेवण ते रुची
Rao येता मोजान जेवणासतना सारू येता रातनी दोणासतना पूण रावोंक जायना मोजान तुका पळय नासतना उगडास येता उठा बसतना आपय म्हाका हांव रोखडीच येतली सांग रे म्हाका तुजेशीच रावतली माग रे एक काडीस फकत तुकाच दितली विसोशियां चोड दुखे जातली रावो येता कोणाक पळय नासतना दोळे बंद करून उगडी नासतना मातूय मोजान रावोंक जायना तो मोग तुजो मोग वयतो मोग तुजो मोग कोरी नासतना
ताळयो म्हाका दिसता तुमी टीव्ही मुखार बसून ताळयो मारतात तातूंत इल्लोय दुबाव ना मँगो बोनान्सा हे कला मोगी कुवेटच्या कार्यावळींतल्यान हांवें नाचोया कुपासर ह्या पिक्चराचेर जम मारलो उडी मारली आनी उडी मारल्या उपरांत तुमकां कितें मेवलां तें तुमी पळयलां तर पालोमी बाय ही कांतारां तुका परत परत गावशीं दिसतात
Absolutely. This is the only song I keep singing so often now because, I can't help it. It's so lovely.
जेन्ना तूं एकलेंच आसता तेन्ना हें पिक्चर गोंयांक इतलें गाजलां लोकांनी इतलें वाखाणलां हाचो तुका अनुभव आसतलो कारण कितलेशे शो हावसफूल तिवूय तिकेट ₹200 गोंयांत ₹100 वयर तिकेट काडून चडसो कोण आदीं पिक्चराक वचो नासलो पूण आयज एक पिक्चरांची क्रेज तयार जाल्या हाचो तुका अनुभव आसा पूण जेन्ना तूं एकलेंच आसता तेन्ना तुजे थोडे अनुभव हे पिक्चर दोळ्या मुखार हाडून
This whole film has been such an experience, living it for those 2.5 months that we shot. And like you're saying, now it's been received in a way which one didn't even imagine it would, So yes, when I do kind of sit by myself and think about it, it's very unreal and it's very surreal to me. Because this is truly not, I expected it to do well because as we were shooting, I realized how beautiful the story is and what Bhadra is making as a film. But yeah, I do think back to moments that, like the little scenes that we do and songs. The songs we used to shoot one go. We wouldn't cut because he thought
one stretch
at a stretch because he thought that would kind of, break the flow. So we do it like 20 times over, top to bottom. and it was such an experience. I mean, it's a high of its own. It's very hard to describe. I don't think, very few experiences in life will match up to Nacha Kumpasa as a experience. But that's just, I'm so grateful for being part of this film. Like, just nothing words can convey, honestly.
आनीक जेन्ना हे सगळ्या अनुभवांतल्यान हें पिक्चर कंप्लीट जालें आनीक वेळ पावला तें रिलीज जावपाचो पयल्या शोआक तूं हाजीर आसलें आनीक लोक वेता तसो चिकार लोक तुजो त्या वेळाचो अनुभव तुका कितें दिसतालें भिरांत दिसताली की आपल्याक स्क्रिनाचेर पळोवन लोक कितें म्हणटलो लोक एप्रिशिएट करतलो तुजें एक्सपिरियन्स
That first screening and every screening from there on, I haven't attended too many screenings in Goa. Maybe like, I think that was the first one, and then come back for one more. But I remember I was nothing short of being overwhelmed. That was my overall feeling, because I can't even describe the reaction people had to to the film, to me. There used to be very sweet ladies in their 70s and 80s. I remember they would come to me and they would hold my face and they would say such sweet things to me, and they would bless me and they would hug me, and I was like, what is happening? It was absolutely surreal. It was, and Goans are lovely people in the sense that they express exactly what they're thinking, and they do it beautifully. They I don't know how to say this, but
Talk their heart,
yeah, they speak right from their heart. Even they haven't met you, but you're meeting them for the first time and they're appreciating the film. But there's a way that they do it which is so heartwarming, and I'm in love with Goa. I'm in love with how Mogan Padla.
म्हणटच ह्या अनुभवांतल्यान तुका गोंयकारांचो मोग कितलो मेवला आमी सुरवातेकूच म्हटलां की तूं गोंयच्या मोगान पडला तर ह्या फुडें तुका जरी तर अशें कोणें तरी प्रोजेक्ट तुज्या मुखार हाडले जाल्यार तांकां सांगात दिवपाचो तुजो प्रयत्न आसतलो
Yes, absolutely. I mean, it would be wonderful. One has to, however, keep in mind that, Nacha Kumpasar is now a benchmark for not just me as an actor, but directors, musicians, everybody. So, in that sense, one kind of has to consider projects that can, match the level that this film has. And I'm pretty sure that given that Badroy and the film has set this benchmark, there's going to be other people coming up with really, really nice projects. And if that does happen, then why not? I mean, but let's see.
आतां झुजेचो प्रोजेक्ट मुखार आयला तो दीस तर ताका तुज्यो विशीस कश्यो आसात
I'll be very honest. The songs that I have heard so far, the reason I agreed to do the album was because I heard two of the songs that Zuze made, and they were absolutely wonderful. He has a beautiful voice, and I really hope, it's my wish that more and more people listen to it and buy the album, and because it's got some lovely songs from all kinds of different flavors. I've done one song in it, and the other songs are just as wonderful. So I hope people buy it and people listen to it and appreciate it, and because it absolutely deserves,
and encourage us.
And encourage us. Yes, I mean,
And
encourage
30th
good music.
30th it's releasing.
And it's releasing on the 30th. So I at a musical concert, yeah, and I urge everybody to go and see it, be part of it. It's open to all, right?
Yes.
And yeah, and my bestest wishes to Zuze and the album
Thank you.
and everybody that buys it and hears it.
या खरेंच पलोमी एक गजल उलयता आसतना म्हज्या तकलेंत येता ती म्हटल्यार तूं फकत एक कलाकार न्हय पूण सिंगरूय बी कांतारां गायता आसतनाच तुका भुमिकाय करपाची तुका आवडटा आनीक हेंच आयज मेरेन आमच्या गोंयांत चलत आयलां तोच मनीस कंपोज करता तोच मनीस कांतारां गायता तोच मनीस एक्टींग करता ही हो जो टॅलंट ही एक गूण आसात हे चड आमकां आमच्या गोंयकारां मदें दिश्टी पडटात आनीक देखूनच गोंयकार तुज्या चड मोगान पडल्या.
Thank you.
आमचे जे ऑडियन्स आयज तुज्या मुखार आसात जी कार्यावळ पळयतात लागींच्यान तुका ते फिल्मान तुका ताणें पळयलां तुका अनुभवलां तूं तांकां कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
I have only two words to say to them, and that is thank you for appreciating the film and the love that you've shown, and Dev Bore Karo. And really, truly, you've given so much love to the film, and I hope you'll give as much love to Zuze's album, because it's a beautiful album, and yeah, I'm just grateful more than any words can describe. I say this again and again because it's very hard to put into words the kind of the feelings I have towards of gratitude towards everybody that's loved the film and loved my work in it also. Just thank you so much.
जशे दीस वेतात जशे कलाकार आमच्या मुखार नवे येत रावतात तशी आमची संस्कृती अदीक अदीक मजबूत जायत वेता. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें नाचोया कोपासर ह्या पिक्चरांतल्यान सिएल्डा पेरेरा कशे पद्दतीन कशें परजळ्ळां तितल्याच तोला मोलाचें पालोमी घोश आमचे बरोबर आसा तें कांतारां गायता आनी एक्टिंगूय करता. म्हाका अशें दिसतालें की ताचे लागीं विचारया की जरी तर कसलेय एका व्हड दोबाजीक आनीक एक ग्रँड सेलेब्रेशन अशा म्युजिकल शोआंत जरी तर ताका खुशी आसा जाल्यार आमच्या मदें तें गावंक शकतलें काय ना?
I love performing on stage, absolutely, and I love singing. As far as performing on stage is concerned, yeah, if the right forum presents itself and the right opportunity, I mean, one has to be selective, I feel, sometimes about the things you do, because that's when the right kind of work comes about, the good kind of work comes about. So then, yeah, if the right opportunity presents itself and it's the correct forum with the correct people, then one can.
खरेंच म्हाका दिसता तुमकां खुशी भोगली आसतली ताकाय जायती उमेद आसा पूण आमी ताका तितल्याच तोला मोलान आनी तितलोच उर्बेन येवकार दिवंक जाय आनीक बरे मांडावळीन ताका आमी पालकाचेर हाडपाची गरज आसा. खरेंच पलोमी बाय तुवें तुजो मोलादीक वेळ म्हाका दिलो तुवें तुजे मोलादीक विचार आमचे मेरेन पावयले आमच्या ऑडियन्सांक खूब आवडले आसलेले काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Thank you, Dev Bore Karo.
तेच भशेन जुजे तुजो हो जो आल्बम आतां थोड्याच दिसांनी रिलीज जाता त्या पासत तुका आमी परबी भेटयतात आनीक बरे भशेन तुवें आमकां पालोमीक मेळोवन दिलें त्या पासत तुकाय देव बरें करूं म्हणटात.
देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगल्यांक.
इतल्यानूच आयची ही माणकामोत्यां कार्यावळ सोंपयता आसतनाच तुमकां खरेंच आवडलें आसतलें. तुमच्या मोगाचें पालोमी घोश तुमचे लागीं उलयलां ताचे अनुभव ताणें एक्सप्रेस केल्यात ताका आनीक जुजेक देव बरें करूं म्हणून ही माणकामोत्यां कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपयता. सगल्यांक तुमकां परत एक पावट देव बरें करूं.
संवसारांतले दीस काडलेत रोडोन भुरग्याचो बोणार सूख गेलें उडोन कितें हांवें केलें रे मोगान पडोन चिंतूंक नासलेलें आयलें घोडोन जीव हांवें घेतलो दर्यांत बुडोन कितें हांवें केलें रे मोगान पडोन केन्ना चिंतूंक नासलें म्हाका गळत म्हूण वसलें पडकिरो मोग तुजो करून हांवें आतां सासना गांव बसलें काळीज तुजें कसलें म्हजें सूख तुवें लासलें दुसऱ्या कोरिना काय पडकीर पण तुवें म्हाका केलां तसलें